What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have had a great week. This week's video is going to be a simple chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm about to go run to town and do some things. My graduation party is this Saturday and today is Thursday and I have to have an outfit, so we've got to go try and find something. I ordered a dress and it come in and did not fit, so here we are. I'm such a procrastinator, but please don't forget to subscribe down below, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And without further ado, let's just get started. So I already primed my face with my Maybelline primer. I'm gonna mix these two foundations. This is the Tarte Concealer and the Makeup Revolution. Excuse me. I'm gonna mix these because my arms are like really like maybe 4 shades darker than my chest and my face, so I kind of have to match my body. And like my knees are super dark, like my legs, compared to my face. I mean, I'm not that dark, but compared to my face, I'm quite a few shades darker. I've been cleaning. We've had to clean house today because Mom said we need to not let people know that we live here, so when they come for my party. I actually did already graduate high school. I graduated probably about a month or so ago, but I'm just now getting my diploma and getting all my paperwork, or not paperwork, getting all my documents and stuff from graduating. So we're having my grad party this Saturday, so we're super excited for that. I'm trying to hurry too because the store that I want to go to closes at 5 and it's currently 3, and I want to have time to look around and stuff, so I don't even know why I'm trying to film right now, but you gotta get things done. Okay, so now I'm gonna do concealer. I'm gonna do the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 22N Light Neutral. This is my self-tan shade also. Which when I went to the beach, I got quite a bit darker than I was before. So I'm not the palest, but my face and chest is, because my chest does not tan, like, whatsoever. And I think that's because, like, I never, like, show it. Like, during the summertime, I am, see, look, now I match my arms. In the summertime, I constantly am wearing a hat. I'm doing something to shade my face and my chest, just because that skin is so sensitive. The fair is also in town this week. And the first night was Tuesday that the rides and stuff opened. And they were doing a tug-of-war. It was like 6 girls against 6 girls, and then 6 boys against 6 boys. And Grant's mom and sister were in it, and we get all the way there, and it starts storming so bad, and they don't even do it. They don't even get to do it, so we wasted money that night. And then Grant's brother, Gavin, is doing the jump and run tonight at the fair. If you don't know what that is, it's where a bunch of rednecks get old cars that are like $300-400 maybe even less, and they race around a track, and it's really funny. Now I'm just doing a little contouring with the Hoola contour stick. I love this stick so much, and I just blend it out with that same foundation brush usually. My brother and my soon-to-be sister-in-law are coming into town for my party, and they're going to be here tomorrow night, and she is in cosmetology school, and she is going to dye my hair. So alright, to set my face, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder, which you guys know I've been using this for months. It's one of my favorites. I don't even know if I told you guys, but I got a new computer on tax-free weekend. I went and bought a new one. My old one that was just breaking down. Like, it was not having it anymore. But so I traded it in and got me a new MacBook Pro. What? My mom just said I got my diploma. It come in the mail. What was I talking about? I don't even know. I got a new computer. And shoot, I don't even know what else I was saying. I don't guess it was that important if I don't remember. I'm really excited for my graduation party. It is a luau / taco bar Mexican theme. It's gonna be super cool, super fun. So excited. So now I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Advanced Radiance Powder and I'm just gonna set just a few areas that I think need a little bit more coverage. Like my forehead, I have these places right here and right here broke out on my forehead, and I'm just gonna set these. For contour, I'm gonna I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Light Bronzer. I usually use the regular one, but for today, I'm gonna use the lighter one, just because it's what I have right here next to me. And I usually just quickly bronze up my face. Oh my god, I meant to tweeze my eyebrows and I forgot. Dang it. Does anybody else do their own eyebrows, or am I the only one? Because I get questions all the time about my eyebrows, who does them, where do I get them done, and I'm like, y'all, I ain't got the time to be going and get my eyebrows done. I do them myself. Y'all tripping. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to use these ColourPop blushes. I'm going to mix these two right here and apply those. So for my graduation party, I cut out this G out of cardboard, and I kind of got a little crazy with the blush, but it's okay, it'll sink in. But I cut out this G in cardboard, and then I glued like little lace to it and then glittered them. Like, it's the cutest thing. I'll probably insert a picture over here or somewhere, wherever I can find it. But it's super, super cute. My dining room in my house is literally full of nothing but like party decorations right now. Like, it's insane. But I'm excited. Everybody's excited. We my mom went and got the food the other night, and we've got some last minute decorations, and we're all just really excited. I'm excited to see my brother because he never comes home. So I'm really excited to get to see him. Now I'm going to take my sponge and the Anastasia Dewy set, and I'm just going to wet it with that. I've been loving doing this, and then just pressing it all over my face to kind of melt all these powders together. This just makes the makeup look so much more natural and not powdery. I cannot stand when my makeup looks powdery. Okay, so for eyebrows, I'm just going to fill them in really quick, and I'm probably going to put this in fast forward. So now that my eyebrows are on, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and I'm just going to do a light wash of eyeshadow. I'm probably just going to honestly use my Too Faced bronzer. I do this really on the daily for eyeshadow. I hate doing a lot of eyeshadow, so I just pop this all over my whole entire eye, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of something, something. I went to my college orientation the other day for hair school. So that was fun. It was literally like an hour and 15 minutes just to read through the handbook. But I'm excited. It starts September 3rd. So I got a few more weeks left. Yo, I'm so excited I got my diploma. That's what my mama was yelling at me about. I can't wait to go in there and see it. Alright, and now I'm going to take that same little powder brush we used and kind of clean this up. It looks a little crazy. I'm actually going to take this Hanging in Hawaii palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this brown shade right down here, and I'm going to stamp this on my lash line on the top to kind of imitate eyeliner. I do this look literally almost every single day of my life. And I only take it about halfway to about right there. Sometimes I won't even do this step, but this week I've been doing this pretty much every day, and I just really like the way that it looks. It's that simple, it's that quick, it's that easy. I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown black gel liner and another flat definer brush and put this on the lower lash, or the bottom waterline. And that is it for the eyes. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. And I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And I'm probably going to mix it with the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Just because this is like really good at like lengthening and spreading them out. And then the L'Oreal is better for like really making them like really super black. So that's what I'll probably use it for. This makeup look literally takes me 20 minutes to do. Like, I've been filming for 20 minutes, and that's intro and everything, so. Are you kidding me? I just touched that to my freaking nose. I'm literally so stupid. Okay, so for lips, I'm really just going to do chapstick and a lip gloss, and that's it. Because during the day, that's all I ever use anyways, so. We're going to be real, we're going to be honest. Here we go. Using Buxom Gloss in Celeste. Super glittery, so pretty. And that is it. So I'm going to finish up my bottom mascara and then we will do the outro. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was super quick, but I wanted to get something uploaded, so I thought I would let you guys sit down and get ready with me. Please let me know if you have any more video ideas or suggestions, and that would be really appreciated. Love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.